So today we're going to be unboxing this dry nitrous kit from Zex that will be going on my 2000 Honda Civic Si. Here's the bottle. It's a 10-pound bottle, meaning it holds 10 pounds of nitrous oxide. Bottle itself weighs, it looks like a little over 14 pounds. Have the instruction booklet, which I already read online after I ordered it. So this is the system control box. This is where the nitrous line goes from the bottle into here, and then from here to the nozzle mounted in your intake to spray nitrous. And rubber hose that on a normal installation would go from the control box to your fuel pressure regulator, and then the line for the nitrous there. And some fittings and some quality zip ties. Here's a better look at the zip ties. Here you've got the nozzle, which is the purple one there, as well as the brass fitting for your intake tube, and that's the black thing at the top is some thread tape. Here you've got the arming switch, which I'm not sure I'm actually going to use for my setup. Here we've got some bolts, as well as some electrical connectors, which I showed earlier, and then those are the nitrous nozzles there. Got a giant Zex sticker. And just in case, 2 smaller Zex stickers. This box says clamps and hoses, and it appears to be clamps and hoses. So the line from the bottle to the control box here in the engine compartment, the brackets for the bottle. All right, cool. Okay, so we also have this from Zex, which is should be the bottle heater. Yeah. Here we've got the wiring, as well as the relay that you'll need, and the electrical connectors also. So this just goes right around here, and heat it up. So just to be clear, this is in no way sponsored by Zex or by anyone. I bought the kit on my own, and yep, that's it. So I will have another video when I do the installation, and yeah, thanks for watching.